G'day YouTube. Today I'm going to show you the Ubuntu Unity drawers, a new sort of little app that's come into Unity or Ubuntu that allows you to place multiple items in a single drawer. Now I'll show you, for example, here I've got one called Internet that I've just made a little bit earlier, and as you can see I've got some internet applications in there, so it's a lot like, say, your iPhone or your Android smartphone, where you can actually place apps within a folder. And this is really handy for Ubuntu Unity, just because it's sort of a little bit hard sometimes to actually navigate applications that are on your sidebar, just because of the way that it's made. So it's really handy for Unity to have this, I think. So first of all, I'll show you a little bit about it, then I can show you how to install it. So first of all, I would go to type in, let's see, drawers in the quick icon in the HUD. So then I'll click on drawers there, and I'll go to create a new drawer in order to create a new drawer, and then call it, I don't know, web, like my internet one. Click OK. Then these are all default settings. You can do auto startup login, probably the best. You can change the size, the margin, the icon, the transparency and whatnot, but it's all pretty much pretty standard there. So then click on close, and then from that point what you'd want to do is, actually I should see it here, yep, there it is, great. So I can click on that one, and that's great. I'll leave it open just for the second, and then I'll type in something like fire in my application sort of quick get to application thing there. And then I will, for example, Firefox, I'll drag that down because that's an internet related application. What else we got? Flame Robin, not so much an internet related application. Well, it is, but not exactly necessarily a web browser. And here's something else as well. So I suppose I could go on all day doing that. And you can close that drawers menu from before. So a little bit messy, things are getting now, but all cleaned up now from this point. So there you go, guys. There is a new drawer that I've made called just web. Click that to close, click it to open back up, and click on whatever program you want. There's also a preferences menu there that you can access that original menu that was used to create the actual drawer, which is good to see as well. So that's pretty much it in a nutshell, guys. A lot like your smartphone, as I mentioned. So Android or iPhone, really easy to sort of place more applications on your front page or your front desktop without having to scroll up and down. So that's pretty much it, guys, and you can remove them if you want and put them back on and do whatever you like. Now I will show you guys how to install one. So open up a terminal, Control-Alt-T, and then from that point what you want to do is type in the following. So I've just installed it recently, so the first line that you want to type in is sudo add apt repository ppa Ian Burke PPA drawers, because this is done by a third-party developer, which is really great to see. After you've typed that in, hit enter, throw in your password, hit enter again. It'll come up with this: would you like to add this repository? Hit enter again. Now that shouldn't take long, and once that's done, what you need to do is, I'll just clear the screen just to make it easier for you guys to see. Here we go. So sudo apt-get update, so to update the repository so that you can then install drawers. So hit enter. That will nicely update the repositories. And then when that's finished, the third and final part to install drawers is simply a matter of typing in sudo apt-get install drawers. So I'll just show you that in just a second when that one's completely done there. Taking a bit longer than I thought for my connection. Yep, still going, working. Okay, there we go, great. Coming through, good. Now the final one to type in is sudo apt-get install drawers. Hit enter, throw in your password. Mine's already installed, of course, and it's the latest version, but just follow the prompts, click Y, then enter, throw in your password as I said, hit enter again, and it will install. Then from that point, the first point of entry to see it is going to your applications menu as so, and type it in drawers. So that's pretty much it, guys. You'll see it there as in drawers. Click on it and create what you like. There you go. Just you can use two different ones here. They both kind of work the same. I wouldn't be too concerned about them. And there's a lot more features, but I won't get into it in this video, just to quickly show you guys. So that's pretty much it in a nutshell, guys. Hope you've enjoyed. Please leave a comment and subscribe, and thanks for your time, and sorry for the dodgily explained video today. Cheers again. Take care.